The Yizro CarPlay Adapter for 2025 to 2026 offers a seamless wireless connection for both Apple and Android devices, making it a versatile choice for modern drivers. Its small size and plug-and-play functionality ensure that the device is user-friendly and hassle-free, providing convenience from the moment it is installed. With a fast and stable connection, this adapter automatically reconnects each time the car is started, eliminating the need for manual operation. The premium metal casing combined with an acrylic glass surface not only enhances durability, but also complements the car's interior with its sleek design. This device is compatible with 98% of factory-installed wired CarPlay systems, supporting iPhones with iOS 10 and above, ensuring broad usability. FCC certification and free lifetime firmware updates provide peace of mind and ensure that the adapter remains up to date with the latest technological advancements.